Hello, this is Brian Gambardella with MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to look at our trade-in boat, 2017 43 Atlantis. So starting on the transom of the boat, you got a platform here to mount a jet ski or a tender. You have a garage that you could also park a tender on with a nice big sunbed. Lounging out here, cruising around the harbor, cruising around the bay, really comfortable. On your starboard side, you got hot water and cold water fresh rinse down, which is really nice. So a chilly day like today, get a nice warm water wash down. Just a port of our dinghy garage, you have a passerelle that will extend out of here with a fold-in handrail, which is nice. So pulling up to a bulkhead, you could board on and off with that. Here we are in the cockpit area of the boat. Got a Kenyan grill, sink. Got a nice cooler box with a chiller plate. Got an isotherm ice maker, very cool. This is all in a nice area, so when you're entertaining out here, guests can come get their ice, grill, everything's in a nice spot. This boat's laid out really nice. Big U-shaped seating, and one of my favorite things is this lounge area here. So when you're cruising, hanging out, open the sunroof, lounging here, very relaxing area. Double wide helm seat, so you and your favorite friend can both enjoy operating the boat together. This boat is equipped with autopilot. You got a bow thruster here, yacht controller, which is a nice feature to have. Twin Volvo Penta displays, so you can see your port and starboard engines. This boat is equipped with FLIR. You have radar. Nice bolster that folds up here, and your platform folds away nicely. This will give you a good 5 inches of height off the deck just to get that extra visibility when you're looking over the bow. Let's go down in the salon and see what this boat has. Here we are in the salon area of the boat. We've got a high-low table here to add additional sleeping arrangements. Ample storage above, which is very nice. A lot of beautiful light and natural light coming through here with a nice porthole. So fresh days, you get some nice little ventilation going on. You do have AC and heat both in the cockpit and down here in the salon, as well as the 2 staterooms. Coming in on the starboard side to our galley, you've got a vertical fridge freezer, a 2-burner stove, microwave above. Below our stove, we have a Bosch dishwasher, which is a very cool feature on the boat. Our electrical panel is just in the aft portion of our galley. So you have our fuses, our generator control, and our switching. Let's make our way to the aft cabin. Here in the aft cabin, you have 2 single bunks, and this is looking to starboard. And you have a 3rd additional bunk on our port side. Just aft of our salon seating, you've got an easily accessible day head. As we enter our forward berth, you have nice natural light above, also on your port and starboard side. And as we look to port, we have a large hanging locker, Dometic AC controls, lighting controls, and mood lighting controls. Our adjoining head here with a porthole and nice natural light coming through. Separate shower. A really nice feature on this boat in the salon area is our opaque skylight. Adds a lot of natural light in the area, makes it feel big, bright, and vibrant. If you're interested in this 2017 43 Atlantis, please contact us at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.